Hello guys and welcome to another video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to mute in Zoom meetings. So first open your Zoom desktop client and connect with your Zoom account to it, and if you don't have already a Zoom account you can just sign in with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts. After that, you will be redirected to the home page here, and then we can start our tutorial. So basically, you will need to join or create a new meeting. So I'm just going to create a new meeting, and now I'm going to show you how to mute in Zoom meetings. So now you need to have already a joined audio with your Zoom. So I'm just going to join with computer audio. As you can see, my mic icon is showing with the green. So whenever I'm talking, we have this icon or this microphone icon that is glowing. So if I want to mute, we will need just to click on the icon, and now as you can see it's become red, and as you can see now I am muted. Also they tells me that I can unmute, etc. Also you can just go to audio settings and just change mics, etc, etc if you want. And if you go to the participant menu, or the participant navigation tab, and you search for your name, you will see that you are as you can see, you will see that you are muted, and you can now click mute and mute yourself. Also you can do the reverse, so you can mute yourself either from here, or you go to the participant menu and go to your name and click on mute, and this is how you can mute yourself in your Zoom meeting. So basically this is how you mute on Zoom meetings. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.